Chapter 3. Food Talk. Food for Health. We need food in order to live. Food helps us to grow. It makes us healthy and strong. Food gives us energy to work and play. We eat different kinds of food to stay healthy and fit. Types of food. The food that we eat has different food groups. Each food group is important for us in many ways. Energy-giving food. We need energy to work and play. Food that gives us energy is called energy-giving food. Rice, potato, bread, wheat, sugar and butter give us lots of energy to work and play. Bodybuilding food. Food that makes our bones and muscles to grow strong is called bodybuilding food. Grains, peas, pulses, milk, eggs, fish and meat are bodybuilding food. Protective food. Food that protects us from diseases and helps us to remain healthy are called protective food. Fruit, vegetables and milk are protective food. Where does food come from? Sources of food. We get food from two sources, namely plants and animals. Plants gives us foods such as fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses and nuts. We also get spices, tea, coffee and sugar from plants. Animals give us foods such as milk, meat and eggs. We use milk to make many things like ghee, cheese, butter, curd and ice cream. How does food reach us? Journey of food. Ankit, aren't these chapatis very tasty? Yes, but do you know that many people work hard before we get these chapatis on our plate? The farmer grows and harvests the crop in the field. The grinder grinds the wheat and makes it into flour. The flour is taken by the transporter to the trader. The trader sells it to the shopkeeper. The shopkeeper then sells the flour to the customers. Mother kneads the dough and makes the chapatis. Meals in a day. To remain healthy and strong, we must have 3 meals a day, which are breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day that is eaten in the morning. Milk, cornflakes, juices, bread butter, jam butter, eggs, paratha, tea and coffee are some food that we eat for breakfast. Lunch. We eat lunch in the afternoon. Dal, roti, rice, vegetables and curd are some food items that we have for lunch. Dinner. Dinner is the meal that is eaten at night. People generally eat dal, roti, rice, vegetables and curd for dinner. Some people like to have some sweet dish after dinner. This is called dessert. Raw and cooked food. All fruits and some vegetables can be eaten raw. Some vegetables need to be cooked to make them soft and tasty. Carrot, turnip, radish and tomato are some foods that can be eaten raw. We also cook grains like rice and millet to make them tasty and soft. Balanced meal. Our diet is the food that we eat and drink regularly. A balanced meal includes the right amount of food from each food group at different times of the day. It helps us to remain healthy. Importance of food. Food makes us strong and healthy. We should eat good, clean and fresh food. Besides food, we should also drink enough water as it helps in digestion. We should have at least 2 glasses of milk every day. Milk is good for our bones and teeth. Sometimes we eat food more for taste than for health. Such food is called junk food. It is easy and quick to prepare, but it is not good for health because they contain fat, salt and sugar. Eating too much junk food can make us sick. Healthy eating habits. We should follow healthy eating habits. We should not eat stale or uncovered food. We should not eat from roadside vendors. We should not waste food and water. We should not overeat. We should not eat in a hurry. We must chew our food properly. We should not eat too much of sweets. We should rinse our mouth after eating. We must wash our hands before and after meals. We should eat meals at regular times.